Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So Samsung new Galaxy S21 series and especially the S21 Ultra is shaping up to be a great addition to company's flagship portfolio, but the new trio is not without a flaws. You are probably well aware of the fact that Samsung has removed the charger and accessories inside the box. Only thing which is included inside the box is the USB cable, SIM ejector and the phone itself. But this has been more to do with the packaging and the unboxing experience rather than the phone themselves. Aside from these shortcomings and the fact that Samsung Galaxy S21 series lacks expandable storage, there's something else has been bothering about the new flagship, and that's the new location of SIM tray, which is now dangerously close to microphone. Samsung has relocated the SIM card tray with the S21 series, and this component can be now found at the bottom edge, right next to a microphone. As usual, the SIM tray can be ejected by inserting a SIM ejector tool into a tiny round hole, and it so happens millimeters away from the microphone, with both having roughly the same diameter. As in these images showcase, the Galaxy S21 ships with a protective back cover that informs the user where the SIM ejector tool should and shouldn't go. But this is temporary protection which will be removed upon unboxing the device, and once the protective sheet is removed, these warning labels will be gone. Customers who don't usually pay much more attention to those minor details could end up in damaging the microphone. But thankfully, S21 series is also coming with an eSIM technology, so perhaps the physical SIM tray location won't pose much of the risk for all the users. Anyhow, there is a new video that has been surfaced on YouTube giving us a detail about the teardown of Galaxy S21 base model. It showcases us what the device is capable of, and by looking at the interior, it's quite similar to Galaxy S20. To get inside the plastic bag, you must remove it first, and yes, it's very much a plasticky material, not even a hint of a gloss here. The S21 is coming with 2 mmWave 5G antennas, and one thing that Samsung changed in this year for making the display ribbon cable completely removable, and this simplifies the replacing display. Two potential difficulty repairs are replacing the battery and the selfie camera. The battery is glued down without the pull tabs, and the selfie camera is also glued to the frame, a relatively recent change which we have seen in the Z Flip. Anyhow, there is a new information about the Galaxy M02s, which is going to be a budget level device that is going to be releasing tomorrow in India. Basically, this device is going to be an entry level device in the M series and cost you around $136. The spec sheet is going to be basic. It's coming with 6.5-inch TFT LCD, HD plus resolution, and Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 chipset. Also, it's going to be coming in two different variants, 3 gigs of RAM and 4 gigs of RAM with a storage option of 32 GB. Anyhow, let me know your thoughts about this new SIM tray positioning in the comment section below, and if you are new here on the channel, do consider subscribing for daily tech video. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.